In a world driven by rapid technological advancement, one company continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. Tesla, known for revolutionizing electric vehicles and artificial intelligence, has now taken another giant leap into the future. With the unveiling of Optimus Gen 3, Tesla is redefining what humanoid robots can do and how they could transform our everyday lives. When Elon Musk first introduced the idea of a Tesla humanoid robot, many people were skeptical. Some thought it was just another ambitious concept, but over time, Tesla proved that Optimus was more than just a vision. With each new version, the robot has become more capable, more intelligent, and more human-like. Now, with Gen 3, we are witnessing a major breakthrough. Optimus Gen 3 is not just an upgrade. It represents a new level of robotics innovation. Tesla has improved nearly every aspect of the robot, from its design and movement to its intelligence and real-world usability. The goal is clear: to create a robot that can seamlessly integrate into human environments and assist with a wide range of tasks. One of the most noticeable improvements in Optimus Gen 3 is its design. The robot now looks more refined, more balanced, and more human-like than ever before. Tesla has focused on creating a structure that is both lightweight and durable. This allows the robot to move more naturally while maintaining strength and stability. Movement has always been one of the biggest challenges in humanoid robotics. But with Gen 3, Tesla has made significant progress. The robot's walking style is smoother and more fluid, closely resembling human motion. Advanced actuators and sensors allow it to adjust its posture and balance in real time, making it capable of navigating complex environments. Another major improvement is speed and efficiency. Optimus Gen 3 is faster and more responsive, allowing it to perform tasks more effectively. Whether it's working in a factory, assisting in a warehouse, or helping at home, speed plays a crucial role in making robots practical. One of the standout features of Gen 3 is its advanced hands. Tesla has taken precision and dexterity to the next level. The robot can now handle delicate objects with incredible accuracy. From picking up small items to using tools, Optimus is becoming increasingly capable of performing tasks that require fine motor skills. The hands are equipped with advanced sensors that allow the robot to feel objects. This tactile feedback is essential for safe and efficient interaction with the physical world. It means the robot can adjust its grip, avoid damaging objects, and perform tasks with greater confidence. At the heart of Optimus Gen 3 is Tesla's powerful artificial intelligence. The same AI technology used in Tesla's self-driving cars is now being applied to robotics. This gives Optimus the ability to see, understand, and interact with its environment in real time. Using cameras and neural networks, the robot can recognize objects, identify obstacles, and make decisions on the fly. This level of intelligence is what sets Tesla apart from many other robotics companies. Instead of relying solely on pre-programmed instructions, Optimus can learn and adapt. Learning is a key part of the robot's development. Tesla is working on systems that allow Optimus to learn new tasks quickly, either through observation or minimal training. This means the robot could potentially watch a human perform a task and then replicate it. Another exciting aspect of Optimus Gen 3 is its potential applications. In industrial settings, the robot could take over repetitive and physically demanding tasks. This would not only increase efficiency but also reduce the risk of injuries for human workers. In warehouses, Optimus could assist with sorting, lifting, and transporting goods. Its ability to work continuously without fatigue makes it an ideal solution for high-demand environments. And in the future, it could even play a role in healthcare, assisting patients and supporting medical staff. But Tesla's vision goes far beyond industrial use. The ultimate goal is to bring humanoid robots into homes. Imagine having a robot that can help with daily chores, cook meals, clean your house, or even take care of elderly family members. While this may sound like science fiction, Optimus Gen 3 brings us one step closer to that reality. Energy efficiency is another area where Tesla excels. The robot is designed to consume minimal power while delivering high performance. This is crucial for making robots economically viable for widespread use. Tesla has also focused on safety. Optimus Gen 3 is equipped with multiple safety systems to ensure it can operate around humans without causing harm. Sensors, cameras, and AI algorithms work together to detect potential risks and avoid accidents. Another important improvement is in balance and stability. The robot can now handle uneven surfaces and dynamic environments more effectively. This makes it more versatile and capable of working in real-world conditions. Communication is also evolving. While Optimus is not yet fully conversational, Tesla is working on integrating advanced voice and interaction systems. In the future, users may be able to communicate with the robot naturally, just like they would with another person. Elon Musk has often stated that robotics could become Tesla's most important business. With Optimus Gen 3, this vision is starting to take shape. The potential market for humanoid robots is enormous, and Tesla is positioning itself as a leader in this space. However, there are still challenges to overcome. Building a fully autonomous humanoid robot is incredibly complex. It requires advancements in hardware, software, and artificial intelligence. Tesla is making rapid progress, but there is still work to be done. Despite these challenges, the progress of Optimus is impressive. Each new version brings significant improvements, and Gen 3 is no exception. It is faster, smarter, and more capable than anything Tesla has created before. The development of Optimus also reflects a broader trend in technology. As AI and robotics continue to advance, we are moving toward a future where machines can perform tasks that were once considered uniquely human. This raises important questions about the future of work. As robots become more capable, they could replace certain jobs. However, they could also create new opportunities and allow humans to focus on more creative and meaningful work. Another interesting aspect is the potential for collaboration between humans and robots. Instead of replacing humans, robots like Optimus could work alongside us, enhancing productivity and improving quality of life. The idea of humanoid robots has been a part of science fiction for decades. Movies and books have imagined a future where robots live and work among us. Now with Optimus Gen 3, that future is becoming a reality. Tesla's approach to robotics is unique. By leveraging its expertise in AI and real-world data, the company has a significant advantage. This allows it to develop robots that are not only advanced, but also practical. As Optimus continues to evolve, we can expect even more improvements. Future versions may include better communication, enhanced learning capabilities, and even greater levels of autonomy. The impact of this technology could be massive. From transforming industries to improving everyday life, humanoid robots have the potential to change the world. Optimus Gen 3 represents a major milestone in the journey toward advanced robotics. It is a powerful example of what can be achieved when innovation, ambition, and technology come together. The future is no longer something we imagine. It is something we are building. And with Optimus Gen 3, Tesla is leading the way into a new era of intelligent machines. As we move forward, one thing is clear. The age of humanoid robots has begun, and this is just the beginning.